sauna. Try my damn some tea. Alright guys, about to do that 5 a.m. bike ride with the fellas, man. I'm gonna go with my bike. Hit these later on today. But yeah, man. Quick little early bike ride. It's my day off. Doing my little birthday party for my father-in-law and baby Gio this morning. Be outside setting up. I don't got my GoPro, so cell phone this morning. Yeah. Get that little leisure ride with the fellas early. If anybody got a nice road bike, I'm looking for one. But I want to give me a trek bike. Coming next, that's for Christmas. These niggas are serious about riding, putting in like maybe 20, 25 miles. That's serious to me, that's a lot of riding. But yeah, man, getting ready to get out here. Get my ride on with the fellas. And I'll be back in this setup for this party. With Anita. That'll be the rest of the day. See you later. Just made it to Boyd house. About to scoop him up. Morning shot. Got the 3 bikes on the back. Yeah, man. Get ready to get on that ride though. Headed down to I think Marina Del Rey. Catch you later. Up early. Bike ride, man. Sir. Been waiting on this. Get this 20 miles in. It's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. Sir. Get it. Go. First stop. How many miles was that, though?
9.5.
Damn, coming. So that's gonna be a 20-mile ride.
Yeah.
Finishing up this 20 miles. Temescal Canyon, Palisades, back down to Dockweiler. They left me behind. About to catch up though. All right. Roll back. Gonna get there though.